Oh, crazy.
Hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh man. Okay. All right. Got trap jumping like frog leg. 2, 2, 3, leaving ball head. Yeah, spray the whole block, leave it all red. Duck off spot, can't go fit.
Maddmarkscars back with another one. Yeah, man, you know, got some more toys came in, man. You know, my box right here. You got your Grand Prix right there. You got the white box right here on some 4G auto. If you don't know, y'all can. Then with the red guts. 4G with the red guts. Y'all stay tuned in, man. Like and subscribe and ring that bell. Like and subscribe and ring the bell, man. I told me all bills must be done. The box interior about to get finished off, man. Where the interior is finished, solve the problem that was going on with the leak. Y'all stay tuned in, man. You see? He did the inside too. Did the inside that, my boy. Somebody's a little older, you gotta grow up. He wasn't around. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know what here he talking about it, man. But my man, but I know he did it. I don't know what he talking about. I know he took care of me though. For sure he did that. I don't know what he talking about that, man. What he talking about that? I get the console put in my car, I want this wood in my car, my console, man. Yeah, man, this thing gonna be so hard. Look, man. Y'all think that white and red bought hard. Man, look how much I didn't go red because everybody go red. That's why I went. You feel me? Man, that move gonna be so crazy, bro. I swear to God, man. Just wait, bro. You know I got new headlight, everything, bro. Man, just wait, man. We got going to put it in here now. Yeah. Going to put it interior here now. Oh, slap that baby on the butt, man. Yes, baby. Ain't gonna slap that filler though too hard. It feel already cracking. Like, you feel me? That joint crazy, bro. Them fillers, man. I bet the beat did it, bro. Like, look. I'm gonna put the bezel in on what's called that though. But slap that baby on the butt. Yeah, baby, you about ready. You about ready, baby. You hear me? Yeah, like I said, y'all know I got chrome, new chrome bezel, all that. I got all that. Nobody get this exhaust done. Headers done, you feel me? Gonna get that knocked on that, man. Cause these babies here gotta go. Them manifolds gotta go. They got to go. Like I said, man, y'all know mine real clean, but it just ain't been why. Come on, man. New brake booster. Gotta go new. Yeah, man. Show y'all with the box. Where it was leaking it. Why was still water getting in the car. All this right here. You know what I'm saying? All that. Leak. Go down through there. Leak on the floor. That's why the interior ain't in yet, y'all. I had to make sure we fix that leak. And put my interior in there, and then there's still water getting in there. That's a no-no. That's a big no-no. It was still getting wet down in there and over here. Oh, wait, no. Feel me? Oh, wait, now, boy. I'm gonna drop that interior now. You feel me? Time to go and do it. I got that Grand Prix came in. That Grand Prix came in. Real G-body. Real G-body. less far. Paint nasty. Paint nasty. Better put this thing on out though, bro. Cause, hey man, bro, man, when I pull this thing out, wait, I throw some rims on there. It look good with them rally. Wait, I throw them rims on there, bro. Need a bumper shot. Bumper shot. I'm saying, man, I went through it with this car, bro. I ain't gonna say like nothing bad or nothing, but as far as putting the money in it, bro, I replaced everything almost, bro. You got that nice box right there with them seats on it. He ain't really did nothing under the hood. Let me show you how. Got a nice box with them seats. He ain't really do nothing under the hood. He ain't do no brakes or nothing. Man. He ain't did nothing. Paint, forges, interior did the same thing I did. Original interior, I'm just changing the color and the fabric. That boy. Man. 86. Come on, no, don't fudge, man. 6, man. Man. Come on, man. Ooh, I can't wait to mine done, boy. I ain't go red good, man. Y'all know everybody go red. You feel me? Forge steering wheel. You know what I'm saying? Shh. Come on, man. Audio pipe in the back. White paint. And on forge, boy. Crazy. I know it got LEDs and everything in there. Just had the door open. Yeah, lit up. Yeah. Gotta get the feel in the back, but it ain't nothing. No AC.